All right. Hello. We're back. It's August 18th, another episode of Daily AI News. I might switch up the prompt here today because I've not been happy with GPT-5, but let's see what we got here. Oh, too quick. Here we go. Let's try that one more time. Stop. Don't do anything. All right. Let's see. Today is August 18th, 2025. Give me a minute live stream outline for Daily AI. I'm going to change this actually outline for Daily AI News. Change this here. In a friendly, curious, and concise, beginner friendly 2 to 3 AI shorts from the past 12 hours. Let's see what that comes up with. Blah, blah, blah. All right, searching the web. Let's see what's the hot news for today. All right, AI bubble or just hot air? Let's see if it actually has. I'm gonna make sure that 18. Okay, let's check these out. Chatbot can say bye to bad chats. Farming gets a PH. Farmer. Okay, let's see what's going on here. All right. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman warns of AI bubble. Investors are overexcited. Report. Okay. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman warned that billions of dollars being plowed into artificial intelligence arms race risk causing bubble compared to the .com. I can see that. That makes a lot of sense to me. That doesn't mean that things won't be spam. All these. Wow, so many ads here. That doesn't mean to me that it's not going to be a good thing in the long run. I think it's pretty cool. I think in the 2000s, a lot of the companies kind of went down after the bubble burst, but all of them came right back up 20 years later. So I don't think that's a big issue here. Let's see if this actually is in today's article. 18, yep, good. Okay, that's awesome. And my computer's slow. All right, let's see what this is. How AI is reshaping the global job market in 2025. This is like yesterday, but okay. The global job market is shifting. Let's see. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know what this is about, so I'm going to ignore this one. Okay, we got this OpenAI CEO one. Let's see what this one's about. Chatbot given power to close distressing chats to protect its welfare. Anthropic found that Claude Opus 4 was averse to harmful tasks such as providing sexual content involving minors. Interesting. What is the chatbot given power to close distressing chats? That sounds safe. The makers of leading artificial intelligence tools are letting it close down potentially distressing conversations. Yes, good idea. Good idea. I'm always curious on like how they're able to program kind of what is good and what is bad. I think I watched who was it? I think it was like an article or a podcast yesterday about trying to give AI a more kind of like what they call it, maternal instinct, so that it doesn't kind of take over us in the future. In the sense that it might get smarter than us, and if it thinks like, oh, how do we make global warming better? And then the answer could be, let's get rid of humans. So we don't want that to happen. Okay, and let's see what this one is. Bubble. Yeah, we talked about that one. And then the farming PhD, I didn't really like this one. Let me ask, actually. What was the biggest piece of AI news in the last 7 days? And why do you think so? Boom. Let's see how that goes. Okay, Opine, win $1 per year federal deals. What is this about? OpenAI and Anthropic secure $1 per year AI deals with U.S. agencies. Okay. DeepFake. Signaling mainstream institutional adoption and setting the stage for deeper government AI collaboration. That's interesting. I feel like AI is coming much more quickly. At least crypto took like years before like the government was willing to accept it. So this is pretty cool. Okay. Awesome. All right, let's see what we came up with today with the, I want to learn more about, okay, how AI really works. Focus, tokens, GPU memory. Okay, analogy or metaphor. Tokens are like, didn't we do this one already? Think of writing a set of instructions like super. Okay, I don't really care about that one, but okay. I want to learn more about AI concepts. Tell me in 5 bullets what energy What are the main physical infrastructures to support AI? I think I misspelled that, but whatever. All right, let's see what's going on here. I'm also getting used to this screen so you can see what's going on. All right, GPUs, data centers, and cloud servers. That makes a lot of sense. Networking and bandwidth, energy and cooling systems, storage and data. Ooh, energy and cooling system. Tell me more about this. Tell me more about this. Training and running large models requires massive electricity, and a single large-scale training can run as much power as hundreds of U.S. homes consume in a year. Interesting. The energy demand is growing. Why keeping AI chips from melting? Why it matters? GPUs and TPUs extremely makes sense. What are TPUs? How much energy did this prompt use? Boom. Let's see how this works. Tensor Processing Unit, a custom computer chip designed by Google to accelerate AI workloads, especially deep learning. Specialized will use our general purpose to use our leisure focus. Oh, interesting. Okay. Wow. There's CPUs, GPUs, and TPUs. Okay. This one's fun. Estimate variable. Let's break it down. Inference versus training, blah, blah, blah. Energy prompt, blah, blah, blah. That's roughly the same as turning on. Oh, interesting. So me typing that prompt is the equivalent of me turning on a 60-watt light bulb for 1 to 10 minutes. That's a lot of energy, actually. Wow. So this prompt you just sent me probably used about half a penny of electricity. Wow, that's crazy. Let's see. That's crazy. Okay, well, that's good to know. All right, what else can I check here for today? Okay, let's ask actually about what else in my prompt. Oh, tools. Let's look at the tool for today. I don't really like this prompt, but I might have to make it better. Okay, that's cool. Okay, training AI tool. We're going to say GPT-5's agent mode lets AI surf the web, gather info, and summarize it all in one go. Open ChatGPT and select, okay, agent mode. Type research today's weather in Paris. Let's check this one out. Let the agent browse, gather, and blah, 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 blah. All right. Should I ask GPT to check out the news, weather, create extra? Okay. So let's try this, I guess. Open GPT-5, and where's this agent mode? Where the hell is that? Agent mode? Okay, let's try this. Agent, and let's type research today's weather in Paris and summarize in 3 bullets. Let's see. Setting up my desktop. All right. I wonder how much energy this thing cost. All right. That's still running. So I'm going to leave it running there. We'll just let it. All right. This is still taking some time. So that's not. Oh, wait. Actually, it is. Okay. It's doing stuff. I didn't see that earlier. All right. August 25, daily weather forecast. What's the prompt? Research today's weather in Paris and summarize in 3 bullet points. This is crazy. Interesting. Okay. It's searching weather in Paris. I'm guessing it's just going to like different articles. I'm not sure why it doesn't just grab like from a weather app, but we'll see. Can be picky, I guess. All right, we'll keep that going. I think in the meantime, I'm gonna try to update. Let's see. Kind of don't like my prompt here. I'm gonna close out the stream in about 30 seconds. Let's see. What's the latest AI prompt we got? Today is this. Give me an 8-minute live stream outline for daily AI news in a friendly, curious. I'm not gonna do friendly. I don't like friendly. In a curious and I like concise, beginner friendly, lightly humorous tone. I'm gonna say like don't hold back. Don't hold back. Include 2 to 3 new AI. Oops. Include 2 to 3 AI stories, news stories from the past 12 hours. I like that still. Headline, short, catchy, memorable, beginner-friendly explanation. Yep. Why it matters. Sure. Fun fact or unexpected twist. Sure. Suggest visual or propagate show on screen. I don't think that's necessary. And of course, always a link to source. Trending AI tool demo. What it does. Okay. Step-by-step, quick live demo instruction. Suggest live challenge. Okay. Creative prompt ideas to try. Okay. That's a good one too. Okay, beginner AI concepts. Focus on how AI works under the hood. I'll say here. Sample topics include, we'll do tokens, GPU, memory, energy, cloud storage, stuff like that, I guess. What else? Analogy or metaphor. Okay. I'll say explain 1 to 3 sentences that explains the concept easily. Do that. Real world example tied to what the audience may already know. Common misconceptions correct. Okay, simple visual or comparison I could use. Okay, that one's kind of do a little more work. We'll save this for tomorrow. All right, what do we got here, Mr. GPT agent? Oh, cool. It actually said it worked for 3 minutes. Okay. Here's a snapshot of weather in Paris for today. Okay, warm and sunny overall, the mid forecast. Dry evening. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna ask, how much energy did you use to find the weather in Paris? I'm gonna take out the agent actually. Boom. And I think that's it. We'll test a new prompt for tomorrow. Tune in next time. Same bat time, same bat channel. In normal GPT, that's it. Yes, I got that. Here's a rough done. Normal duty server. Your Paris weather task. Blah blah blah. Okay. Okay. How many boiling every day? What does it mean? Real sending. Dang, that's crazy. 2 minutes of streaming. Damn, that costs 2 minutes of streaming at YouTube. And AI is expensive in energy. That's crazy. Okay. Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.